Hey, long time no see. What's up? Yeah, long time no see. I'm a Scrum Master for an Agile team. Huh? What is a Scrum Master? What are you master of? The Scrum Master ensures that the team apply the Agile methodology, and it also facilitates the work of the team. What an easy job. So in fact you just have to take a look to Wikipedia, and so you can tell to your team how to work in Agile waves, right? And facilitate the team. What does it mean? I think you just watch them work, and so you just give them some advices, right? Easy job, easy job. No, in fact it's just a little bit complicated as you think, but if you want to discover, please watch this video till the end. Hello everybody, T.Dy from Consulting. Today I will talk about what is a Scrum Master. First of all, Scrum Master is not project manager, at least not as the same ways as in a traditional working approach. A Scrum Master is a servant leader. What is a servant leader? Servant leader is a person who works for his team, not for himself. He helps his team to unleash his full potential in order to deliver very effectively and quickly. It also anchors trust and collaborative engagement. Hello guys, the client have a high expectation from us, so we are under pressure, under high pressure. So you, because you're an expert on this field, you have to do this and this. And you are an expert on this field, so you can do this task on this task on this task on this task. Okay guys, so let's go. Hey guys, today is a big day because the client requests us on a strategic project, and it's a very high opportunity for us to show him that we are the best of the world. So are you in? Yeah, you're in. So now how can we proceed to perform the task? The Scrum Master is also a facilitator. What is a facilitator? A facilitator that helps his team to collaborate and to communicate inside the team. So for example, is there any debate? The Scrum Master is a neutral person who just helps the debate to focus on the objectives. The Scrum Master also facilitates the event of the Scrum Agile, such as daily meeting or poker planning or US grooming, for example, or retrospectives. At the beginning, the Scrum Master can also run these events in order to show to his team how to run these events until they are autonomous to run themselves these events. Okay, I think that we will have to put a blue color on this application because it's more beautiful. No, I think we have to put red color on this application because it's more shiny. Yeah, me too, I prefer the blue color. The red color is too aggressive. Okay, I think that we will have to put a blue color on this application because it's more beautiful. No, I think we have to put red color on this application because it's more shiny. We have to focus on what the application can bring to the client. We don't need to focus on any details such as color. The Scrum Master is also a coach, so he will help his team to understand itself and find the right way to improve. He also asks powerful questions to provide new perspectives to his team in order to guide them and ensure that they're going to in the right direction. No, the way that you made it is not correct, because I know it, because I have more experience than you know. So I'm right. So I think that you have to do this in this way and not in that way. Do you think that if you build this application that way, the way you think, does it respond to the need of the client or not? The Scrum Master is also a mentor, so he will help the team to embrace the Agile culture, the Agile principle, and find the right way to work with this Agile culture. For example, he will help his team to understand how to estimate in Agile ways, and he will help his product owner to manage his backlog, to prioritize his items, and how to split the user stories. No. In the Agile course, they said that daily meeting lasts 15 minutes, and it's more over 15 minutes, so you have to finish right now. So actually we see that the daily meeting cannot work in a way that we perform it. But I have some experiences with other teams, so my previous teams. So we have tried another way to perform this daily meeting. So I can propose to you to try these ways, or you want to propose another ways to perform this daily meeting. The Scrum Master is also an impediment remover, so that means that he will protect his team in order to ensure that they produce quality without the pressure, because all the pressure on all the problems that the team cannot address, he will address these issues. For example, budget or management pressure or external disturbance on request. Hey you! The other team requests you for dependencies. Can you go? Hey guys, the other team requests us for the dependencies. But don't worry, we can just work quietly. I will go and deal with them, okay? This is the end of this video, so if you like this video, put some likes, subscribe to my channel, share this video or this channel or to anyone that you want, put some comments right below, and I say you ciao ciao, see you next time, bye bye!